get some airflow without having to remove the whole thing. So far, I'm very impressed with the quality of it. It's well made. It's a nice canvas. Yeah, so let's see how well it fits. Now with the top, it does make getting behind these bars a little bit of a pain, but there's no real way around that. It's just part of the setup of the machine, not the top, but you can work around it. It just takes a minute. What I try to do is roll it kind of one way, snug it up, and then just kind of rock it back into place. I want to make it a little too tight. There we go. And then you can kind of roll it back into place. I will go back through and snug them all up, but I want to work from one side to the other, slowly tightening it up as I go. Now, one thing I've noticed so far that I like, it has these Velcro attachments for on the lower bar to help keep it pulled down so it doesn't keep working its way up. I also like how over here it goes right below the seat belt, so it can't slide up because it catches on this bolt. So there's a lot of neat features with it, so I'm going to loosely tighten this side and work my way over. Now, I've dumped the bed just to make it a little easier. It does have this adhesive Velcro strip, so I can get in easier by dumping the bed. And I wanted to make sure that I have this adjusted where I want it before I do that first. So now originally I thought these were for fastening it, but this one is actually for when you roll the window down to go around the windows to secure it. But they're and we're in. Now what's nice is you can unzip the back window and roll it up and have some airflow, or seal it up without any issue. And I like how it tucks up underneath the top here. Now, it's new, it's canvas, it's plastic, so it needs to get some of the heat to iron out the wrinkles. So it always takes a little bit of an adjustment after install to make it absolutely perfect. Like I have it a little too far to this side, and I want to iron out some of these wrinkles, but I'll pull them tight by working with these Velcro straps. But I want to get it nice and warm for a little bit first, so it kind of irons itself out from being in the package. But great product. I really like the way it fits from StarknightMT. No water coming in. It all runs off the top and then off this